Hello everyone. Today we will discuss human immune system. Human immune system. So the human immune system. Immune system means the study of human immunity. The study of human immunity is called as immunology. The study of human immunity is called as immunology. Immunology means the study of human immune system. Immunology means the study of human immune system. Human immune system. The immunology means the study of human immune system is called as immunology. Immunology means the study of human immune system is called as immunology. Next one, Edward Jenner, scientist Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner, the scientist Edward Jenner is called as father of immunology. Edward Jenner is a father of immunology. Father of immunology. Edward Jenner is the father of immunology. So the human immune system. So the immune system means immunology. Study of immune system is called as immunology. So the Edward Jenner, scientist Edward Jenner is the father of human immune system. Father of immune system. Next one. So the every day in our lifetime and the life cycle. So the every day attacking many infectious organisms. Bacteria, fungi, virus. So the many infective organisms they attacking to our body, but our body there is no causing to diseases. Every day, for example, go to the road, there are many foreign particles, bacteria, fungi, virus attacking your bodies, but there is no effect because of our body contain a immune system. Our body contains a immune system. So the immune system is the policeman of the body. Immune systems are the policemen of the body. For example, foreign particles attacking our body. So the our body contains a immune system, immune cells. So these cells attacking to the foreign particles, so killing to the foreign particles, So they are the many foreign particle attacking our body, but there is no causing the diseases because of our body contain a immune system. So this immune system, so prevention of diseases. Next one, so the human immune system, there are different types. One is the lines of the immunity and cells of the immunity. Lines of immune system. First one, lines of immune system. Lines of immune system. First one, lines of immune system. So the human immune system contain a 3 lines. Human immune system contain a 3 lines. First line immune system. First line immune system. First line immune system. Second line immune system. Second line immune system. Third line immune system. Third line immune system. Third line immune system. So the human body, the human immune systems are the 3 lines of the immune system. First one, lines of the immune system. So the lines of immune systems are the 3 types of the immune systems. First line immune system, second line immune system, third line immune system. First one, first line immune system. First line immune system. First line immune system, for example, so they are the one line, just example. So the first line immune system. So the foreign particles, bacteria, virus, fungi, etc. So they are attacking, try to entering the human body, So, but prevention of the skin, mucous membrane, saliva, and tears. Saliva and tears contain a enzyme, a lysozyme. So these are the first line immune system. So the first line immune system, first line defense. So they are the first line defense. First line defense means, for example, foreign particles like bacteria, virus, fungi, etc. they are try to entering the human bodies. So they are the first line immune system. So they are the skin, mucous membrane, saliva, tears. So they are the prevention of entering of the foreign particles. For example, skin. So skin is the prevention of the entry of foreign particles. Next one, mucous membranes. So the mucous membrane prevention of the entry of the foreign particles. For example, they are entering to the mouth. So the mouth contains saliva. The saliva contains enzyme lysozyme. These lysozyme kills the foreign particles, Next one, the tears. The tears, they contain a lysozyme. So they are the killing to the foreign particles. So they are the first line immune system. First line. So these foreign particles cross this line, entering the human body, cross this line. So next one, second line immune system. Second line immune system. So bacteria, virus, fungi. So these are the crossing the first line. So the second line, they are contain a phagocytic cells. And fever, inflammation. So these are the second line immune system. So these pharmaceutical crossing to the first line. So they are the second line. In the second line system, they are presenting on the phagocytic cells. So phagocytic cells means, so they are the eating to the foreign particles. Next one, fever. So the fever, body temperature, this temperature killing to the foreign particles, and inflammation. So they are the second line immune system. So these two lines are the non-specific. Next one, third line immune system. So these foreign particles cross also these lines. Next one, third line immune system. So the third line immune system, they are containing antibodies and natural killer cells. So they are the third line immune system. So these antibodies, they are killing to the foreign particles. So they are the third line immune system. Once, so these third line immune system is the specific. So the third line immune system is specific immune system. So these immune system, so they are the killing to the special type of the organisms, killing to the special type of the antigens. So after this line also crossing the foreign particles, so after they causing to the disease. So these are the lines of immune system. First line immune system, second line immune system, third line. So first line immune system, skin, mucous membrane, saliva, tears. So they are the prevention of the foreign particles. Next one, second line immune system, phagocytic cells, fever, inflammation. Second line. So these are the two non-specific lines. So next one, these two lines crossing to the foreign particles. Next third line, antibodies. So they are killing to the foreign particles. So after third line also crossing to the antigens, so they are causing to the disease. So they are the lines of immune system. Next one, cells of the 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 immune system. Cells of the immune system. Cells of the immune system. First one, so the cells of the immune system, they contain three types of the cells. They contain three types of the cells. First one, lymphocytes. First one, lymphocytes. Next one, auxiliary cells. Next one, auxiliary cells. Third one, natural killer cells. Natural killer cells. Auxiliary cells, lymphocytes, auxiliary cells. First one, lymphocytes. First one, lymphocytes. First one, lymphocytes. So these lymphocytes are the major cells of the immune system. Lymphocytes are the major cells of the immune system. So these cells are the three types. These cells are the three types. First one, B cells or B lymphocytes. B cells are T lymphocytes. Next one, T cells are T lymphocytes. T lymphocytes. Next one, third one, large granular cells. Large granular cells. Large granular cells. So they are the three types of the lymphocytes: B cells, T cells, and large granular lymphocytes. So the based on the size, the lymphocytes are the two types. Based on the size, based on the size, lymphocytes are two types. Lymphocytes are two types. Lymphocytes are two types. First one, small lymphocytes, large lymphocytes. First one, small lymphocytes. Small size lymphocytes. So they are the B cells and T cells. B cells and T cells. B cells and T cells. Second one, large size lymphocytes. Large size lymphocytes. Large size lymphocytes. So they are the large granular cells. So they are the large granular cells. Large granular cells. So they are the lymphocytes. So the lymphocytes, so there are the three types: B lymphocytes, T lymphocytes, large granular lymphocytes. First one, B lymphocytes. First one, B lymphocytes are B cells. First one, B lymphocytes are B cells. 4 marks, very important question, B cells. So these lymphocytes, they are producing to the antibodies. Lymphocytes producing the antibodies. Lymphocytes produce antibodies. Lymphocytes producing the antibodies. Lymphocytes producing the antibodies. Next one. So these lymphocytes, they are producing the lymphocytes in adult stage. Adult stage, they are releasing from the stem cells of the bone marrow. They are releasing from the producing from the stem cells of bone marrow. They are producing from the stem cells of bone marrow. So the B cells, they are releasing from the stem cells of the bone marrow. So the adults bone marrow, they are producing from the B cells. Next one, in the fetal stage, they are releasing from the liver. Fetal stage, they are producing from the liver. In the fetal stage, liver producing the B cells. Next one, in birds, bursa fabrica. In birds, bursa of fabricus. So that in birds, bursa fabricus, they are producing the antibodies. Bursa fabricus producing the B cells. In birds, bursa fabricus producing to the B cells. So they are the adult stage, stem cells of bone marrow releasing to the B cells. In fetal stage, liver producing to the B cells. In birds, bursa fabricus producing the B cells. Next one, so the mature B cells, the surface body containing antibodies. Mature B cells surface, mature B cells surface contain antibodies. The body contain antibodies. The mature B cells is called as immunocompetent B cells. Mature B cells is called as immunocompetent B cells called immunocompetent B cells. Mature B cells is called as immunocompetent B cells. So these immunocompetent B cells reaching secondary lymphoid organs. Secondary lymphoid organs. Secondary lymphoid organs means spleen, lymph nodes, appendix. So they are the secondary lymphoid organs. They are reaching to the secondary lymphoid organs. So the immunocompetent B cells reaching the secondary lymphoid organs. So they are converting to the functional immune cells. It's called as functional immune cells. So the immunocompetent B cells reaching secondary lymphoid organs. Immunocompetent B cells reaching the secondary lymphoid organs. So these are called as functional immune cells. They are called as functional immune cells. So these functional immune cells is divided into two types. Functional immune cells divided into two cells. Memory cells and second type plasma cells. So the memory cells and plasma cells. So these memory cells function. So for example, identify the antigens. So they are identify the antigens. Next time attacking to the antigens, immediately they are attacking killing to the foreign particles. So they are the information storage cells, memory cells. Next one, the plasma cells. These plasma cells, so they are killing to the foreign particle, attacking to the foreign particles. So they are the B cells. 4 marks, very important questions. B cells. So the lymphocytes produce the antibodies. The B lymphocytes producing to the antibodies. So these lymphocytes, they are B lymphocytes. They are producing from the adult stage the stem cells of bone marrow. Producing to the B cells. Next one, in the fetal stage, the liver producing to the B cells, and in the birds, bursa fabricus producing to the B cells. So, the mature B cells, the surface contain a antibodies. Mature B cells surface contain a antibodies. Next one, so these mature B cells is called as immunocompetent B cells. The mature B cells is called as immunocompetent B cells. So, these immunocompetent B cells reaching to the secondary lymphoid organs, reaching the secondary lymphoid organs. Secondary lymphoid organ means spleen, lymph nodes, appendix, tonsils. So, they are the lymphoid organs. They are converting to the functional immune cells, converting to the functional immune cells. The functional immune cells are the two types, memory cells and plasma cells. Memory cells and plasma cells. These memory cells storing the information. The plasma cells attacking to the foreign particles. So, they are the B cells. 4 marks, very important question.